This is a very short video demonstration of ProgrammExpress, a web-based portfolio program and project reporting solution, where our aim is to automate project reporting, replace labour-intensive manual processes with a quick-to-implement, simple and intuitive, cost-effective solution, which is an alternative to an enterprise PPM solution. So we're going to use our demo website, and you'll see here that we've applied corporate color palettes and logos specifically for TUI Group, and that's very easy for us to configure and easy for the user to configure. So we're going to log on, and as administrator of ProgrammExpress, you can be an administrator, a write access user, or a read-only user. And if we're an administrator logging on, that means that we can see all projects and all modules, and it takes us straight into our home screen, where we can open up what is very much a demo structure of projects, programs and portfolios. We can see the projects, we can see the health of the projects by red, amber, green by module. The modules are displayed here as icons, but better described through the Updates tab as commentary, plan, resources, costs, benefits, impacts, risks, and logs. A lot of functionality, very simple to use though, as well as document repository. Also within this screen, the administrator can open up reports that they've configured themselves from the reporting screen, or they can run shared reports that have been sent to them or shared by the Central Projects Team, Program Office, PMO. Now, ProgrammExpress is very much about simple input and powerful program and portfolio reporting output. In terms of simple input, the interface for the user who needs to edit projects can be a lot simpler than what we're seeing here. We'll show a quick demonstration of that by logging back on as a user who has access to only a few projects and only a few modules. I'm now logging onto the same home screen, same database, different user experience. It shows that they've got 3 projects there that they have write access to, and it shows that they've got 4 modules, commentary, plan, costs, and risk that they're expected to populate. So users can have different roles and be expected to populate different modules, and they will only see what they're expected to update. Keep it very simple. So example, project 1A, expected to update the commentary. Click on the square, see what we've said before, make an update. Go to the plan, see what the current plan looks like, see if we need to make any changes, move on. Costs, very high level, have a look at the cost status, see if we need to make any changes. And the same with the risk register, just example data of a risk register, see if any changes are required. And once they've made those updates, that should be very simple and snappy to update. They'll probably want to have a look at the data in one of the reports that they've set up. So if we run a one-page summary PPT, this is a plan on a page that drops nicely into PowerPoint. And you'll see here, just close it down a little, you'll see there all the project information, timeline, financials, the commentary threads that we've configured for this specific report. So that's the experience for the user, very simple. Back on as the administrator. Well, this is the central PMO type access. Now they know that all the users have made their updates. They can open up the programs and projects, and they can see the health of the data again, and they're going to be drawn to the reds. And what we can do is we can filter out the greens and the ambers, and we can see there where we've got problems. So we can click in squares. Let's click on a project 1C. There's a red there in terms of costs. Drill down, and we can see that we've got a problem in terms of the forecast spend is 800 against a budget of 600, out of tolerance, therefore a red status. And obviously you can do the same for all the other projects and different screens that need to be accessed where there are red issues. Now, also from here, again, the data's been updated. This is what ProgrammExpress is really all about, is the reporting. So lifted a level to portfolio. You can run these reports from all levels, but let me, in this example, move to shared reports, and let me run a reg status summary, which is the Excel style report that's been aggregated and consolidated automatically. And you'll see there all the project information in summary format, in Excel format, and you can export this to Excel, showing the commentary threads, some of the reg and the plan information. What we sort of call our weekly flash report. If everybody had this available, they'd probably get a pretty good status of the health of the portfolio. Or let's use an example Gantt chart. So again, running from the top, the portfolio, this will now produce the plan for every single project sitting within the portfolio, using a Gantt chart style. And also we use the red, amber, green in terms of health of the task, red being missed and amber means forecast to miss, and we can show both original and current start dates here. Or we may want to look at the same data but in a different view, a milestone summary, so more of a higher level timeline view, row per project, having a look at the key milestones and the health again, and expected delivery days. So all we're expecting to do as project managers is to make those simple updates, and then we're in a position to run powerful program and portfolio reports. And then one more example, maybe resource usage summary. So again, Excel style, no need to have an independent Excel sheet running. You can align your resources to the plans within ProgrammExpress, and this is what you'll get. It will show you resources, what projects they're working on, when they're working on them, the number of days in the period, in this case monthly, but it could be weekly, where there's an out of tolerance, because it's aggregated up within the period, out of tolerance, very simple Excel style view. So that really concludes the very short demonstration. Now in terms of call to action, having seen the video, if you do have requirements, please get in touch, phone, email, go to the website. And in terms of a call to action, the next steps could be to arrange a webinar, full functionality, to arrange a face-to-face meeting, which is probably preferable, or really just go for a phone call, discuss costs and plan a pilot implementation. Thank you very much for listening.